Hi, Aiden.
Hello.
So the question is, what's one of the hardest things you've been through in life, and how did you get through it?
It was my dad getting sick. It was in 8th grade, and for a time it felt like I didn't know if he was gonna live or not. So it felt like, what am I gonna do? Like, if he's gone, how am I gonna be the man of the house? How am I gonna take that on all of a sudden? Luckily he didn't. God forbid he won't. But eventually the words that he started to say started popping back in my head, and eventually they started making more and more sense as time went on. And for anyone who's going through that, just wish the best. Don't let any negative thoughts run through your mind. Just think of the best. Try and be the best you that you can be. Don't let anyone try and tell you you can be worse or better. Just shoot for what you think is the best you can do and try your best.
What about someone who feels like, how can I do this? What do I do? Like, I don't know if I can go on. How can I deal? They don't even believe that they can deal with it.
You can.
What would be a first step for them? What would help?
First step.
What was helpful for you?
Someone, anyone, or anything to do. Like, if it's a pet, a person, your notebook, it doesn't, video games, whatever just helps you calm down and think rationally and actually just catch a second wind. Yeah.
Very well. So things can get better with time.
Yes.
In your situation, it took a bit of time. It didn't get better overnight, but with time it did get better. All right. So don't give up. So it was worth it.
Very much.
To stay positive.
I came out a very different person.
Very well. All right. Thank you so much.
No problem.